What's up everybody, it's Rob from the Basement Bike Shop, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install and remove grips without an air compressor. I found over the years that this is the best way to do it, especially if you want to save the grips or you're installing or removing a lever that doesn't have a hinge. So let's get started. The things you're going to need for this are hairspray for installing the grips. I've also used it to remove grips when I didn't have water. A small straw off of like a WD-40 can, or anything that is small, plastic, and somewhat sturdy. And then water. Now you can do this with the bars on the bike. I usually do, and I'll show you that. You just lay the bike down and then turn it over to the other side when you do the other grip. So the first thing we're going to do is lay the bike down and then remove the bar end. We're just going to work our way around gently with a screwdriver so that we don't rip it. But just in case, it might be a good idea to have extra bar ends laying around. So after you rip the bar end, you stick your screwdriver inside and peel it up a little, and then work your way around. You should be able to get the rest of it out in one piece. And there you go. Now you can do this from either side of the grip. I'm just showing you from this side because I think it's the best view of it. So to remove the grip, you're going to pull back on one side of the grip and insert the little straw that came with the WD-40 can, and then roll it back and forth in your fingers while pushing it downward to get it in as far as you can. Then you're going to pour a little bit of water in the hole. That's too much. Then roll the grip back and forth in your hands. If you need to, you can then roll the straw back and forth and get it down a little further. Now that it's loose, it should go a lot easier. And then roll the grip back and forth in your hands again, and it'll work the water all the way down until the whole grip comes off. So when you do it, it might look something like this if you're going in from the back of the grip. We're going to peel it back and then insert the straw and roll it back and forth in our fingers while pushing it downward. The reason we roll the straw down and we don't push it straight in is so it doesn't tear the grip or poke through the grip. Then take your water, pour a little bit in. It really takes very little water. Then roll it back and forth, working that water down. Roll the straw down. Roll it in your hands until the entire grip spins, and then it should pull right off. Now you'll be able to change your lever or cut your bars, whatever you were planning on doing. My next video coming out will be about cutting the handlebars and bending the lever. There'll be a link on the screen when it drops. Now to installing the grips. The next thing we want to do is make sure that the inside of the grip is clean and dry. So we're just going to feed a rag or the corner of a t-shirt into it from both sides. Now this step is very important in ensuring our grips stick well to the bars. And now they're ready to be installed. So we take our grip and our hairspray and we shoot a little bit in, trying to get it all the way to the back also. Now if you put too much hairspray on, it'll take longer for them to dry. Not enough on and you won't be able to slide it on. But when the hairspray dries, it'll grab the grip really well. Now if you have an air compressor, I still put the hairspray in and put it on, and then I put the air compressor underneath it and just blow out all the hairspray while you're holding it in place. And when you release the air, it will grab your grip right there. Then just install your new bar ends and you're done. And that wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing, you can go ahead and subscribe, and I'll keep these videos coming. My next video is going to be on cutting down the bars and bending the lever. If you don't want to miss that, you can turn on those alerts so you'll be notified. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, you can message me or you can send me an email. Thanks a lot.